Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to share your account with a friend at connect.dataczar.com. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to dataczar.com. We're going to click login. That takes us to connect.dataczar.com. Let's go ahead and log in here. We'll get our email address and our password. And that's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's go full screen. And from dashboard, we're going to go ahead and go to manage accounts. This is where you're going to find the button to share your account with. And to share your account with somebody, you're going to click on this users button right here. And the person you're sharing it with, they'll be able to manage your account just like you do. The main differences are that they're going to have their own password. You don't have to share your password, and you can delete them at any time. So all you have to do is type their email address in right here. So we'll do like test@test.com. And what you do is you just click on the invite to account link right here, and that sends them an email. But we're not going to do that. We're going to do it a little different. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create the link here. And then here's the link, and then we're going to copy the link to our clipboard right here. And then what we want to do is we want to open up a new tab here, and we're gonna paste it into our browser. But in order to show it, I have to first of all log out of my account. So let's go back here, F11. Let's open a new window. We're going to paste it in, Control V. So we paste it into the browser like I had just received the email, and then it's going to take the person you're sharing it with is going to get this screen here. So they're going to need to sign up, and they're going to have to create a password. So let's go ahead and sign up. Stefan Webinar. My email address. Right here. Password. And confirm. And we're going to show that we're not a robot. And let's go ahead and register. And then it's going to ask you to confirm your phone number and things like that. Let's go ahead and do that. And send. And then I need to type in the confirmation code. So let me go ahead and just get that real quick here. And 8604. Let's confirm. And there I am. Now I'm logged in as Stefan Webinar. So let's go ahead and let's go back to full screen here, F11. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm now the person. I'm your friend now. I'm the person that you shared the link with. So I can go ahead and work on the website just like you can. But let's go ahead and log out here. And let's go ahead and log back into my account as the owner. And there I am. So Stefan at Dataczar. And let's go back to the manage accounts, and let's go back to the users. And then now you see here that I shared it with Stefan Webinar, and he's a user that I can delete at any time. So now we both have our own password. We can both log in. We're going to share this account. And when we're all done, I can delete the user at any time just by pressing the delete button. So, we've done everything we've needed to do. Let's go ahead and delete Stefan Webinar at this time. And there it is. And now Stefan Webinar no longer has access to your account. So let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how you share your account with a friend at Dataczar Connect.